Soon after Executive Committee led by CEM Titos Stawal Khan in the KHADC lost the vote of no confidence motion, the National People's Party and the Indian National Congress formed a new ruling alliance, Khasi Hills Democratic Front, in the KHADC. At the same time, the two parties have also proposed the name of Soringham MDC and former chairman of the council Pinyat Singh Saim for the election to the post of Chief Executive Member. Speaking to media persons, Pinyat Singh Saim said it will be wrong to say that the NPP is hungry for power, since the party could have toppled the present EC a long time ago, back since they have the numbers.
They've told the numbers, not even they don't should be. And then you just sort of see about like NPP, I love sure. Then you can you repeat like I'm so snum, I love okay, you look, she's snum. But kadang-kadang ni balak benkan haka sensyap baik kan bangin yalang ne bangin lead ya ke isi lene ke government lene bangin ya terhilang no